I like to get out in the snow. Anytime you get over 3 inches of snow, it's fun to get out and do some cross-country skiing.
It's a great way to work out. It is very easy on your joints. This is a great time to go outside and experience winter, enjoy the snow.
There's been studies that have proven that the athletic benefit that you get from cross-country skiing is better than any other sports.
I actually started downhill skiing when I was in elementary school. When I got up here to Bowling Green, I wanted something to do in the snow because I love the snow. I think it's magical. So cross-country skiing seemed to be a good thing to do.
I had watched cross-country skiing in the Olympics and happened to be looking on Craigslist one point and saw someone had skis for sale in Toledo.
I suggest going to the internet, trying to find videos on how to cross-country ski. Doing things outside really helps your mental capacity. And I think that this is just another way to get us out of the house and let us enjoy our surroundings and not be brought down by what's going on in the outside world.
Look into it. There's parks, in Findlay and in Toledo where you can rent skis. You can rent skis from different ski shops. You've seen little kids from 2 to 3 years old out skiing all the way up into their 70s and 80s. So it's a fun sport.